Hello, we are the Chinese manufacturer. We have 20 years experience in aluminum-free tank manufacturing. As you can see, there are A-shaped tank, Arcon tank, curved tank, and other polygon tank. The free tank is an excellent choice for wedding, large exhibitions, and conference. We will, according to the number of the guests, to recommend the size of the tank you need. For example, 10 by 12 meter can accommodate 100 people for wedding. 10 by 24 meter can accommodate 200 people. They are the popular size for wedding tank. The aluminum-free has many advantages, such as lighter than iron-free, fast and easy to install, high anti-rust performance, structure is durable for 30 years. Enable your customers to enjoy each event safely. Each tank can be split into smaller size. For example, 10 by 30 meter tank can accommodate 215 people for wedding. 10 sessions in total, so each session is 3 meters. That means you can set it up for smaller events like 10 by 15 meter, 10 by 80 meter, and 10 by 21 meter. It can make the use of the tank more flexible according to the scale of each event. If you want to buy a glass panel tank but doesn't have enough money, you can buy a free tank with PVC to start. When you earn more money, you just need to buy extra glass panel to adjust the tank, because our tanks free can adjust PVC side and glass panel. Many clients are worried how to install the tank. Don't worry. We will send you installation manual and video to tell you how to install the tank. Usually 4 installers can complete the installation with 3 hours. For more information, please contact us by WhatsApp.